Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today I wanted to touch a little bit on property values in Italy and where to find the most value for your money, but also, keeping in mind that when you come to Italy to live or vacation or whatever, you're looking for a very specific experience. And that is really what you need to look at. Where can you find the type of ideal scene that you set up for yourself, in your head or whatever, and then can you afford it? There's a lot of different things to look at, of course. There's the landscape in the area, there's the communities, there's a cuisine, there's a culture, there's religious festivals and all those things. And each area is a little bit different. Each region is different. They used to be all separate little city-states until not too long ago, 1800s really, when they all came together with the reunification. So, however, if you're just looking strictly at a property value, euros per square meter, your best values are, number one, Calabria. This is on immobiliare.it, and they're saying that the price per square meter in Calabria is 930 euros per square meter. And after that, it goes up to Basilicata and Abruzzo, and then it goes up from there. So, when you're looking at southern Italy, you get a lot of value per square meter. Now, in Calabria, that you can get a lot for your money. And then, of course, down in our Riviera di Cedri, things are actually booming down here. I mean, we came down, we started our YouTube channel, and then Justin and Michael were here and they started their YouTube channel, and then a bunch of other little channels popped up, and people are looking and they're coming, and it's just been crazy booming down here in Calabria. Now, there are certain areas in our Riviera di Cedri that sort of got real popular real fast, and as a result, the property values went up. One of the specific examples is up in the Petrosa area, the Via Faro area, which if you want to look at it, go look at Pete's video he put up yesterday on the lighthouse up there. Faro means lighthouse, and there's a lighthouse, and we're looking at it going, hey. In any case, the properties up there, you used to be able to get a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartments, 60, 70 square meters with a huge terrace overlooking the old town, sea views, the whole 9 yards for like 60, 65,000. Those all sold pretty readily. And then the last time I saw one of those apartments, it wasn't even as nice a view. It was like up in the 80s range. So there has been an effect, and I've noticed the effect on the property values. And you can go to Immobiliare.it and you can look at how the property values have gone up in Scalea. Sorry guys, we got a little excited about Scalea and the surrounding area. But in any case, there are still areas here that have yet to boom that we are going to start putting attention on. One of them is Belvedere Marittimo, and we've been talking about that as property values. Now, people are starting to look, and they're starting to see, and they're starting to go there. And as a result, we see the property values creeping up a little tiny bit. In addition, you've seen lately on the channel that there are these developers down there that are putting up these magnificent properties. There was 2 of them we put on the channel. They are huge, they're magnificent, and they're like, the prices are crazy. They're just ridiculously inexpensive. If you're coming from California and you're going, oh my gosh, a property like that, with that amount of land, in a beautiful complex, with those views, and right near the sea, it would be millions of euros, and we're talking around in the 320, 400 range for these massive houses, all brand new, beautifully done up and ready to go. So it's crazy. There's still a lot of value. Now, real value can be found in the historic center, where there are a lot of older properties that need a little love. So you get some of those and you love them up and you fix them up, and you have a beautiful, beautiful property with spectacular views. And the Belvedere Historic Center is quite vibrant. It doesn't go to sleep in wintertime. There's always, the macelleria, there's always the pharmacy, there's always people out and about, the restaurants in the Historic Center. There's a hospital right there. I know, because I was just there not too long ago. And yeah, I mean, it's got everything you need. Plus, it's amazingly beautiful. We were going to head out there today, but it's a little bit cloudy. I want to go on a sunny day, and then we're going to go eat at Restaurant Calypso, which is one of my favorites, because they have this ravioli with, it doesn't sound like much, ravioli with melanzane, which is eggplant. And normally I kind of avoid eggplant because I'm not a huge melanzane fan. I got this, and it was unbelievably good. Anyway, Pete and I will go to Calypso later and show you what we eat and show you Belvedere and show you a bit of the historic center as well. The weather here is fantastic. I mean, it's a little cloudy today, like I said, but we're out in a t-shirt. It's mid-60s here and it's lovely. So we're just loving life. In any case, there are still values to be had. Oh, I wanted to mention the Bahia del Carpino region as well. Properties there are getting more popular too, and for good reason, because it's beautiful up there. Anyway, keep an eye on the channel because we're on the forefront of the agents that we work with, and they're always keeping us in the loop. And if they have a spectacular property or a great value, they let us know first, so we can let you guys know and get you in on the ground floor on some of these really, really awesome deals. Have a look around, look at the playlist. We do have a Belvedere Maritimo playlist. You can see all kinds of things there. And we're going to put up some more stuff on Belvedere in the coming days. So stay tuned, you guys. We'll see you soon.